What's up mga kabibis? For today's video, tayo ay, saan tayo pupunta, Beb? Beb, where are we going?
Rizal.
We're gonna go to Rizal kasi mag-date daw kami. We're gonna go on our second honeymoon. Beb, sabihin mo naman! Beb, ayusin mo. Ang awkward mo naman. Nagbablog ako eh. Yeah, we're gonna go sa Rizal kasi daw doon daw maganda kasi malamig doon, hindi masyadong mainit, unlike if we go to Cavite or if we go to Batangas. Sa Rizal daw medyo malamig kasi maraming bundok. Tapos maghahanap kami, wala pa kaming hotel, wala pa kaming camping site, wala pa kaming lodge, so we're gonna go there. Wala kami pupuntahan. Wala kami maghahanap. Pero yung hahanapin namin yung may sea of clouds kasi maganda daw yung tuwing morning. Tsaka yung may view ng Sierra Madre. Be, how many hours?
Isang oras lang.
2 hours. 1 hour. Time check, it's 11:30 in the morning. And we are leaving. Oh, 10:30 pala. 10:30.
A few moments later.
Hi guys, so it's currently 4:07 PM and nandito na kami sa may Rizal. We're just stopping over para sa coffee break. Hi Beth. Beth, say hi. The view is amazing. Wow. You. Medyo malapit na kami sa aming final destination. 2 kilometers. Papunta dun sa possibly na pag-i-stayan namin. Hindi pa sure kasi hindi namin sure kung mainit pa. But we're so excited. Got our coffee.
Ay, be.
What?
Ganda ng view nung sa kanila.
So, we're back on the road. We're gonna go na sa aming hotel. So, we're gonna check out Ridge and Clouds here sa Tanay, Rizal. Kasi ayaw muna namin pumunta doon sa isa kasi maghahabal-habal kapag going in. So, pupuntahan muna namin to. At least ito medyo sa bungad lang. Wow!
Years later.
Hi guys, so it's currently 6:13. Nag-shower lang kami. And now we're waiting for our dinner. Madilim na, so hindi na masyado makita. Maaga kami nagdi-dinner kasi hanggang 7 lang yung dinner nila. Tapos after, magpapamassage kami. We're gonna eat dinner. Sinigang. Wow!
The next day.
Good morning guys, this is day 2. We just woke up at 6 AM. Maga kami gumising para maabutan namin yung wow, sea of clouds. Look at the clouds. Wow. Beb, buka ng ubos sa vlog ko na naman. Gumising ako ng 6 AM para dito. Wow.
A few moments later.
We're gonna go back to our room and get ready for Kawa. Hi guys. Nalilis na ako. Hindi na ako nakapag-vlog kasi namamadali kami bumaba. But here, I'm in the kawa na. It's so relaxing. It's very hot at first. Pero pag tumagal na, masasana yung body mo. Parang nag-aano yung body temperature mo with the water na ba? Hey guys, we're now in the water. O in the kawa, I mean. Relaxing. Yung isa doon, tinam. Bab.
Luto yung itlog ko, be.
Yung view, tinan niya. Wow, ganda ng view. My love. Taran!
A few moments later.
Hi guys, so we are now leaving Bridges and Clouds Nature Camp and may kakain muna tayo. We're gonna eat, finally. Tapos namin magkawa. Gamit pala yung kawa. It's so refreshing pero it's so nakakapagod. So now we're gonna go eat and then didiretso kami to Daraitan River. Medyo pangit daw yung road papasok. So iiwan namin yung car sa labas kasi may parking. Tapos magta-trike lang kami para ko. Hi everyone. We're at Windows Farm. Magla-lunch lang tayo here before we go to Daraitan River. Here's my view. Show them my view. Wow. What can you say? What can you say? Babe. Pipi ka ba? Lahat ng video ko hindi ka nagsasalita. Ha? Camera shy siya. Hindi siya nagbi-video. We're gonna eat na. Ah, sarap. We have wow. And then we have ribeye. Here, ribeye. Not my eye. Eating time. For the finale. Be madudurog. Big bone marrow. Then you tak-tak it. Dinurog mo.
Narigado ka? Hindi ka ba isusulod sa ospital na?
2,000 years later.
Nakapag-vista kami, tatawid na kami sa river. Ito, aking asawang lakas ng tama. Saan tayo, Beb? Beb, saan? We are here. Kubo, 500 na to guys. Kami tinutokis kami ng mga tao dito eh. Asawa ko mula lang din. Hi guys, dito na tayo ngayon sa Daraitan River. Dito lang kami sa mababaw, tampisa lang. Tampisa ng mountains kaso may mga cars sa gilid but it's still nice. Tas yun yung mga ano, sumasakay sila ng motor. Ay, ng balsa yung motor. Look, it's clear. Wow, it's clean. And palipas oras lang kami here. After this, kakain na naman kami. Tapos, uwian na. We might pass by Taytay sa Changi. Pero, we'll see. If kaya mo pa? Beb, ano ba? Pipi ba itong kasama ko? Hindi nagsasalita. Beb. Ayaw magsalita.
The squad's going to swim. Look at the squad. Ano sa kanila
Pakita
squad?
natin yung squad. Squad goals. Abay, baka abulin tayo niyan. Dito. Ang payapa ng buhay. Kaya ka na bumalik sa Amerika. Oh, tingnan mo yung tricycle oh. Hey. Go trike. May susunduin yan doon din, no? Huwag kayo magpapark dyan sa mga gilid-gilid. Kasi may penalty. Tsaka nabibisit yung mga tricycle driver pag dyan kayo nag-park kasi sobrang traffic. Tsaka pumunta kayo dito pagpatay na araw, like Monday to Thursday, ganyan. Wala talagang tao. Tingnan mo, pang solo lang namin tubo. Pero pag weekend daw, sobrang traffic, sobrang daming tao. 2 hours away from Manila. Maybe 2.5. Masawa ko talaga parang, ano ba be?
Tapos abulin.
Abulin mo.
A few moments later.
Hi guys, we're done swimming. Magbibihis na kami. Tapos, magdadrive na. We might pass by Pasig kasi dadaan na namin mga kapatid ni Krisnard. Nung asawa kong pipi. Be. By the way, nung papasok dito, kailangan nyo mag-park dun sa kanto. Tapos magta-try kayo pa loob kasi medyo rough road. Pero kung maganda yung kotse nyo na malaki, kaya naman. Yung kotse lang namin di makakapasok kasi lowered. Pina-lowered niya. So what's up guys? We're on our way home now. It's currently, what time na? 8:27 PM. Pauwi na kami. Ginabi na kami. Kumain lang kami. Hindi na kami nakapag-vlog kasi wala, pagod na kami. Pagod na rin yung driver. On our way home. Can't wait to go home and sleep sa aircon. Kasi yung inistayan naming parang hotel, wala siyang aircon. Although, mas presko naman kaysa sa Manila. Pero parang, wala lang. Sarap pa rin matulog kung may aircon. Enjoy ka? Enjoy naman. Super enjoy. Super relaxing din. Lalo na yung kawa. That's it for today. I hope you guys like and enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel.